Are you passionate about land surveying and want to make a difference in the development of Amaravathi? Look no further, because the government is currently hiring a government land surveyor in Amaravathi. This is an incredible opportunity to work with Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, a renowned company in the field of land surveying. With this job, you will not only have the chance to showcase your skills and expertise, but also contribute to the growth and transformation of this beautiful city. As a government land surveyor, you will be responsible for conducting surveys, collecting data, and analyzing it to provide accurate information about the land. Your work will be crucial in ensuring that all construction projects in Amaravathi are carried out smoothly and in compliance with regulations. With Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, a reputable company known for its expertise in land surveying, you will have access to state-of-the-art equipment and technologies that will aid you in your work. Imagine being part of a team that is at the forefront of shaping the future of Amaravathi. You will have the opportunity to collaborate with architects, engineers, and urban planners to create sustainable and efficient designs for this rapidly growing city. Your expertise as a government land surveyor will be highly valued and respected, as you will play a vital role in ensuring that all land-related decisions are backed by accurate data. Not only will this job provide you with an exciting and challenging work environment, but it also offers excellent career growth opportunities. As the city of Amaravathi continues to expand, there will be a high demand for skilled land surveyors who can contribute to its development. By working with Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, you will have access to ongoing training and professional development programs that will enhance your skills and keep you up to date with the latest industry trends. I am absolutely thrilled to share with you the amazing news about the establishment of Govt Land Surveyor in Amaravathi, in collaboration with Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. This is a significant step towards the development and progress of the region, and I couldn't be more excited about the countless opportunities it will bring. The role of a Govt Land Surveyor is of utmost importance when it comes to urban planning and infrastructure development. Their expertise in accurately measuring and mapping land areas ensures that construction projects are implemented effectively, minimizing any potential disputes or issues. With the establishment of this new venture, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd will provide state-of-the-art technology and equipment to support the surveyors in their tasks, further enhancing their efficiency and precision. Amaravathi, the capital city of Andhra Pradesh, is already experiencing rapid growth and development. With the collaboration between Govt Land Surveyor and Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, we can expect this progress to accelerate even further. The surveyors will play a crucial role in determining the best utilization of land, optimizing infrastructure planning, and ensuring sustainable development practices. The partnership between Govt Land Surveyor and Scon Design India Pvt Ltd brings together the expertise and experience of both